change the color of a logo in Illustrator, just select the logo. Be sure you have the window workspace Essential Classic, yeah, your workspace is Essentials Classic, and after you select the logo, you'll see this wheel, which is named Recolor Artwork. Press on it with the left click, and now you can change its color from this wheel. But if you want to be more specific, just press Advanced Options, and now you have all the colors in your logo. You see right here. You want to change this orange with a red, let's say. You can go here and choose this red, and now this part is red. Or you can double click on this color right here and choose your shade of red there, and now you have this shade of red in this part. And you can do this with every color. Right here, let's say I don't like this green, I want to make it brighter. Let's press OK, and now this green is brighter. You can also move this slider on brightness, saturation, yeah. Or you can select grays only, and now your logo is only grays. Or you can choose one color. Let's say I want to make it black. Okay, now it's black. And of course you can select your logo, yeah. Let's ungroup this. I want to change only this color to make it black, let's say. And you go here to fill and stroke, double click and choose a black, and now you have your logo. Or you can go to your logo, select specific parts, and again go to color picker and select specific colors, yeah, and you change its color from right here.